Ooh, it's sizzling. Now that we're all cleaned up, we can move on to, we'll play some MDs and we'll do some recordings. We've got the Sony MiniDisc recorder, model MZR55. One thing I did notice when I pulled this thing out and took the battery out of it is that at some point the battery started leaking and it caused a little bit of corrosion in there. We're going to use some iFixit tools. For this video, we'll just use the TechMat screensaver and the iFixit microfiber cloth. To clean this corrosion, we're just going to use a little bit of vinegar. So yeah, we'll just go and get in here. Oh, look at that, you can already see the stuff coming off onto the Q-tip.